In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove security permissions from a folder. This process is essential for managing who has access to your files and ensuring your data remains secure. Let's get started. First, open your File Explorer and select the folder you want to modify. You will see a list of your files and folders displayed clearly. Look for the specific folder whose security permissions you are aiming to change. This is crucial because selecting the right folder ensures that you are altering the correct settings. Once you have located the folder, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, right-click the folder and select Properties. This action opens a new window that contains various tabs, each providing different information and settings related to that folder. The Properties window is your gateway to managing permissions. It allows you to see who currently has access and to make necessary changes. This step is vital because it sets the stage for all the subsequent actions you will take. After that, click the Security tab at the top. In this tab, you will find a detailed list of users and groups that have permissions for the selected folder. The Security tab is where you can view and edit who can view, modify, or take ownership of your folder. Understanding this tab is important because it gives you a clear picture of the current permissions and helps you identify what needs to be changed. Now, click the Edit button. This step requires administrator access, so you may need to provide credentials if prompted. When you click Edit, a new window will open, enabling you to modify the permissions. This is a critical step because it allows you to make changes that can enhance the security of your folder. Once you confirm your access, you will be able to modify user permissions effectively. In the top box of the new window, click the name of the user or group you want to remove. You will see a list of all users and groups assigned permissions for that folder. Selecting the appropriate user or group ensures that you are removing the correct access rights. This step is particularly important because it helps prevent unauthorized access to your files, maintaining the integrity of your data. Next, click the Remove button. This action will eliminate the selected user or group from having any permissions related to that folder. It's an essential step in fortifying your folder's security, as removing users who no longer need access reduces potential vulnerabilities. After clicking Remove, you will not see a confirmation dialog, but the change will take effect immediately. Finally, click Apply, then OK. This finalizes the changes you have made and ensures that the new permission settings are saved. After clicking Apply, you may see a brief flash indicating that your settings have been updated. This confirmation is reassuring, as it means your folder is now more secure. With these changes applied, you can feel confident that your folder's security permissions reflect your current needs. By following these steps, you have successfully removed security permissions from your folder. This process not only protects your data, but also helps maintain control over who can access your files. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.